How do I restore my Facebook Marketplace back after 3 strikes? So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. At the bottom, you'll find the option of Marketplace. Click on it. For me, you can see I can easily have the access to my Facebook Marketplace. But for you, if you are not being able to do that, then what you want to do is, first of all, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and head over to Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Tap on Include. Click on Buy and Sell Groups. Now in this page, what you want to do is simply enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. You have to write that even if I haven't done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of Facebook, but still I'm not being able to access to my Facebook Marketplace. Please help me with this issue as soon as possible. Once you have written those things, simply tap on Send at the top right corner. The report will be successfully sent to the Facebook support, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can restore the Facebook Marketplace back after 3 strikes. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.